In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 on your Windows PC. If you're looking to dive into video creation with Sora 2, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the simple steps needed to get started and create your very own content. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser. Once you're connected, navigate to the Sora website, which is sora.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you haven't got access yet, no worries. Simply request an invite to get started. This process will grant you entry into the Sora platform where the real magic begins. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Sora dashboard. It's here that we take our next step towards creating a video. On this dashboard, look for the Create Video button. Your adventure in creativity starts by clicking this. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to type your prompt or script. This text will form the foundation of your video, so take a moment to think about what you want to say or showcase. Now that you have your prompt or script ready, it's time to make a choice between layout styles. Sora offers two main options, a landscape or a portrait layout. This is entirely up to you and depends on how you envision your final video looking. The landscape layout is perfect for standard video formats, while the portrait layout is ideal for social media stories. If you'd like to personalize your video further, you also have the option to upload an image. This image can serve as a style or reference point for your video, giving it that extra personal touch. Once your layout is selected and any optional images are uploaded, the exciting part begins, generating your video. Simply click on the Generate Video button. This is where Sora does its magic by compiling your script and chosen layout into a seamless video. It may take a few moments, so a little patience here will pay off. Finally, once Sora has finished generating your video, you have the option to download it straight to your computer or share it with others. Sharing your video is as simple as clicking the Share option, which makes your content easy to distribute across your social networks or with friends and family. And that's it! With these simple steps, you've created a video using Sora 2 on your Windows PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to explore more creative possibilities with Sora. Thank you for watching and happy video making!